If you have been importing products and source for products from China using Made in China shopping website, consider to watch this video before you go ahead and make that purchase on Made in China, whether on the web or on the app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao Made in China, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import safely from China using Made in China Chinese shopping app or Made in China on the site. So with that being said, let's get started. If you have been importing from China and sourced from China with Made in China, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end before you proceed to make a purchase from any supplier, because I'm going to show you what you need to take into consideration before you buy on Made in China shopping app or on the site. Okay, so let's see. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure that we have the app on download, install, and register on our phone. So here is the app right here. So I'm going to simply open it, and it's going to load up. Made in China is a B2B trading platform that allow you to connect with different manufacturer of different type of products across China from different regions. Okay. Now, once the app is open up, what you need to do is to simply create a free account. And for you to create a free account, simply click on here, and then this will direct you to where you need to sign up. You can simply create a free account with your email address or Facebook account and the like. So I have already created a free account, just like what you see right here. This is my account. Okay. Now, when you get to the app, whether on the app or on the site, there are things you need to take into consideration before you go ahead and make a purchase from any supplier. One of the things is that you need to make sure that a supplier have a refund procedure and they have a trade security assurance so that you don't get scammed on this particular Made in China shopping site. Now, let's say for instance, we are looking for secure trading. So we have to make sure we swipe this way and we click on this icon right here, secure trading. So it takes us to this particular page. Now, every product right here or every manufacturer right here, they are secure and they are safe that you can simply make a purchase from them. Let's for instance, I want to contact this manufacturer right here. Now, this is an indication of a secure trading service. So this is one of the things you need to take into consideration before you go ahead and send money to any supplier. This is very much important so that you don't fall into the harangue. Okay, then one more thing you need to take into consideration is that how long this company here has been making sales on Made in China. Take a look at this company here. They have been on this site since 2016. That's quite a very long time. Then you can simply scroll down and then read their trading service secure right here. So this supplier here offer refund and return. You can apply for a refund up to 30 days after receipt of the product. You can imagine that not every supplier offer this. So, but when you are trying to make your sourcing with Made in China, make sure you take note of this. This is very much important. Okay. Then you can also scroll down and check of the product detail and check on their review. What people have to say, the people that have purchased in the past on the site. So you can scroll down and see more details about them before you go ahead and make a purchase from them. Once you are satisfied with their product, so you can scroll down, you can see this is the company trade certificate right here. They have about 6 different certificates. So you can simply check them out. They have USA trademark, they have EAU trademark, and they have GRC, they have test report, they have GSG audit. And you can also verify all these certificates right here, and then to be sure that these people actually are real of what they are trying to claim right here. And for you to do that, there is a particular website that you can use to do the verification. You can check the video on my channel. I've made a video about it in the past, so just check them out. So what you do is to simply copy their company name and paste it on the site, and then you are going to see the result. Okay. Then one more thing you can take into consideration is that what is the MOQ of the supplier? This supplier here, they sell minimum as 1. So which simply means that you can buy 1, you can buy 2, you can buy 3, you can buy as many as possible. You can swipe and see more And also, this also offer a custom branded product as the case may be. So these are one of the things you need to take into consideration before you buy on Made in China. I hope you find this interesting and then you find this tutorial useful. If you find this tutorial useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best and secure to import from China using Made in China. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.